going on, guys? SargeantsTechTips. Welcome to another video on my channel. So I'm going to be showing you how to install OBS Studio for your MacBook or MacBook Pro or any, well, Apple or macOS system that literally just runs macOS. It doesn't need to be anything specific. So I do actually have a MacBook now, and I'll show you the specs real quick before we get into the video. They're not great. So 1.6 gigahertz Intel Core i5, 8 gigs of 1600 megahertz DDR3 memory, and Intel HD graphics 6000. So let's go ahead and start the video. You're going to go to the link in the description. You can also type in obsproject.com. It'll take you to this website. You want to click macOS. Now, if you're running Windows, you can click Windows or Linux. I can do a video with Linux soon. I already have a Windows one up, so you can go ahead and click macOS. It's going to take you to this page, and then it's going to download the package file. All right, when it's done, you can go ahead and go to your downloads folder. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is minimize this, and I'm going to go to my downloads folder this way because I just think it's easier. You're going to find the OBS Mac package installer. You're going to go ahead and click continue. It's going to tell you how much space it's going to take on the hard drive, which in this case I have an M.2, I'm guessing. I think it's like 128 gigs. Go ahead and click install. You will have to enter your password. I will be doing a video on macOS Mojave because it's an amazing operating system. So you can go ahead and click close. And if you want to, you can move it to the trash, which I'm going to do. That way you can save a little more space. So now that OBS is installed, you can actually go to your Launchpad to get to it, or you can go to the Finder, go to the Applications folder, and then look for OBS. Usually what I do is I just click the F4 key on my keyboard, and it should bring up here, OBS. Or you can go ahead and click on Launchpad, and grab OBS and take it to your dock or whatever you want to call it. And go ahead and open up, and I'll show you that it works. And the reason I'm doing an updated video is because, you know, I have a MacBook. So if you guys want to request any Mac videos, then you can. So I don't know if I'm going to be using OBS too much because I get like 50 FPS. I could probably just do 30 if I really wanted to. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please drop a like. If you guys did not enjoy the video, please drop a dislike. And if you guys want to see any other videos that will come out, I'll probably live stream on this because I can connect it to my monitor and I'll actually have a webcam. But we'll see. Thank you guys for all the support. I'll see you guys next video, and peace out.